Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix and try to solve any bug issues on the WhatsApp application. So let's get started right away. Now, when you are trying to use the WhatsApp application, if you experience various different bugs, then in order to fix this, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From here, scroll all the way down and tap on Help. Now, the first thing that you can do when you experience any bug is to report it to the support team. So from here, tap on Help Center and then tap on Contact Us. From here, you can type in your message, letting them know about this bug and how it affects the WhatsApp application within your device. After typing in your message, you can tap on the next button and send your support email. You can also tap on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Send via email in order to send an email directly. After sending this support email, try clearing your application cache. Long press on the WhatsApp application and tap on the info button. Now from the application info page, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner first in order to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. After clearing your cache, the application should run somewhat better, and now you will simply need to wait for the response of the support team, and they will probably send you some information, and after the next update, the bugs will be fixed right away. And there you have it. That is how you can fix any bug issues on the WhatsApp application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.